Okay, now we've made this awesome, cool car. I'm just gonna, I can't resist but changing it a little bit because it doesn't quite seem to be in line with my expectations. We'll take the paint bucket tool and we'll try to find a paint bucket color that's cool. That's a little bit better, a little bit better. But that's not what this is about. This is about symbols and what they do and what they mean. We are going to take a look at the library, which is very important thing to understand. And I'm just going to right click and we're going to rename this block because it's no longer a block, it's a car. Just type in car. And the key thing to realize is that we can make as many copies of this. This is a library. This is an instance of a particular symbol which is in the library. If we wanted to make multiple cars going forward, it would be very easy. The three things you have to have in Flash to make animation is everything has to have its own layer and it has to be a symbol. And nothing else can be on the timeline. So if I wanted to make, let's say, 2 other cars, I'd make 2 other layers. And just to make sure I don't put them in the wrong layers, I'll lock down the other 3 layers. And you just simply, I'll lock down this layer too. So now I know which layer it's going to be. I'll just drag the car into the layer. And like we did before, I'm going to press F6 right here. Now you can see that car jump forward because in time, we're now moving 20 frames ahead. I'll press F6 and I'll move this car, let's just say a little bit slower, okay? And to connect it, I will click back and do create a motion tween. We're going to be going over these basic animations for a little bit just to make sure that you have them. And finally, I will make the third car. Oh, get rid of that email. And this third car we'll make really fast. And since they're all on the same basic timeline, in order to make this third car the fastest, I'm going to pull it, and I press shift while I do it so it's in line. I'm going to pull it so it basically goes off the stage. And then I'm going to create a motion tween to make sure that happens. So once again, now let's test our movie. And this time, it's a race. And obviously that car wins as I made it. But the key lesson here is everything gets its own layer when you want to animate in Flash, okay? And once you make a symbol, like one car, you don't build the car 3 different times. You build it once in the library. And when you do that, then you get to use it as many times. And this is exactly what happens when you see on a Flash game or something like that where you have millions of asteroids coming at a spaceship. The computer doesn't draw millions of asteroids. It simply reuses things over and over again from the symbol library. In a tank game, if tanks are rolling around the screen, there's really only one drawing of a tank. It's just used 3 different times.